Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal is going to meet the Lieutenant Governor V.K. Saxena today at 4:30 p.m. He is also likely to tender his resignation during the requested interaction. Arvind Kejriwal's self-imposed 48-hour deadline to resign as the Chief Minister of Delhi ends today. This is coming after he was granted bail from the Supreme Court, and however, the BJP has in fact slammed Arvind Kejriwal, stating that this decision is a compulsion not driven by principle. Meanwhile, Aam Aadmi Party has also scheduled a meeting today at the CM Kejriwal's residence, where it is likely said that the party will take its final decision on Delhi's new Chief Minister. All right, joining me on the broadcast is my colleague Shubh Rana. Shubh, very good morning to you. And as we can understand that today comes finally the day till which Arvind Kejriwal has given the deadline to having announced as his resignation and tender his post. Now, what exactly has finalized at this given point of time? There have been meetings that were scheduled and that were being held between the senior party leadership of the Aam Aadmi Party, as far as the names and the finalization of the person in the cadre is being mulled for the CM post.
Yes, definitely, Simran, because today is the deciding day for Aam Aadmi Party, because today at 11:30 all the MLAs of Aam Aadmi Party would be called up at CM residence, where they are going to meet the Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, and probably day after tomorrow, when Raghav Chadha, Manish Sisodia had a meeting with Arvind Kejriwal just before the PAC meeting, and yesterday also there was a PAC meeting, which is Political Affairs Committee of Aam Aadmi Party, which is responsible for taking all the crucial decisions within the party dynamics. But so yesterday the decision was being made as far as our sources are quoting us, but today comes the final deciding day, because all the MLAs need to be kept in loop so that there might be a majority of the name which have been chosen by the Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal for his successor. Also, when all the MLAs will come all together to meet at CM residence at 11:30. 11:30 is the time when the MLAs like Sanjeev Jha, Kuldeep Kumar, Dilip Pandey, Sandeep Pathak, Durgesh Pathak, all the MLAs from different areas of the Delhi will come all together and have a word with Arvind Kejriwal, because yesterday all the ministers have separately had a word with Arvind Kejriwal. Our sources have said that Arvind Kejriwal have talked separately to each and every minister who have come yesterday for a PAC meeting. So definitely a crucial decision would come, but let me tell you about Arvind Kejriwal's plan. First, he will do a PAC meeting, then he'll go to Hanuman Mandir, and after that he'll go to LG House to submit his resignation. Also, he will give the name of who will succeed him. Then the letter will be forwarded to the President of India, and after getting it signed, then we can get a new Chief Minister of the Delhi. But in the meanwhile, Arvind Kejriwal have 5 to 10 days to vacate his CM residence. Also, this is also a big part, because allegations were there that Arvind Kejriwal has built a Sheesh Mahal. So definitely strong visuals would come in these upcoming days, where we can see Arvind Kejriwal vacating his house. But there have been no official confirmation till yet. Our sources are saying that 11:30 is the time when all the MLAs will have a word with Arvind Kejriwal for the next Chief Minister. Yes, back to you.
All right, Shubh, as you are detailing about the events that are going to take place today, as far as the new name for the Chief Ministerial post of Delhi is going to be decided further, as all eyes will be on the meeting between the Delhi Chief Minister and the LG today that's going to take place.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.